everyone, so for today's video I'm doing another makeup tutorial. This is the fresh autumn makeup tutorial. If you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, starting from the eyes, I want to prime my eyes using mixed eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone. Put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone. Then after that, I'm using powder to set the eyeshadow base so it doesn't crease throughout the day. For the eyeshadow, the palette that I'm gonna use is MARC the Tease palette. I'm taking this shade to all over my crease as my transition color. Then after that, I'm taking the shimmery shade to all over my eyelid as a lid color. Then after that, I'm taking this shade with the small brush and make wing liner with this. Then after that, I use the Body Shop eye definer in the shade black to my tight line to make my lashes look fuller. Next, for lashes, first thing that I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Now moving on to the face. First thing that I'm gonna do is prime my face using 4 filler primer. Then after that, for the foundation, I'm using the Body Shop Moisture Foundation in the shade number 5 and put it all over my face using Expert Face Brush by Real Technique to apply it. Next, for the concealer, I use it for highlighting and conceal my dark circle as well. I put it under my eye like triangle shape. I put it on the center of my nose and I put it on my forehead and I put it on my chin and just blending it all up. Next, for the powder, I use powder to set the place that I put concealer. I don't really set the foundation because I don't really like it. Next, for the bronzer, I use Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Ticket to Bronzer and bronzing up and shape my face as well. Next, for the blush, I use the Body Shop Fresh Sorbet Blush in the shade Tuscan Grape to the apple of my cheek for bringing some color to my cheek. Next, for the highlight, I use liquid highlighter to highlight my face. I put it on the place that I wanna highlight. Moving back to the eyes, I'm taking the shade from the same palette to my lower lash line. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the same eye definer to my waterline. Next, for the lashes, I use some mascara on my bottom lashes. Back to the eyeshadow, I'm taking this shade to my inner corner as a highlight. To the lips, I just use Moisture Balm in the shade like purpley and just put it all over my lips. I don't really put it too much because I wanna use it more like sheer balm, if you know what I mean. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you in the next video.